Hey everyone, and welcome back to Money Boost. It can be hard to make money, but it shouldn't be that way. Get-rich-quick schemes also sometimes fail. So what can you do? Well, one great way to earn is through watching videos online. Huh? How can that be? Well, this video will show you exactly how it can be done, so stay tuned. Today we're going to be learning about how to earn $100 your first day watching videos online. Make sure you stay until the end as you don't want to miss the best technique to watch and earn. Number 1. Make a PayPal account. The important first step you need to take is creating a PayPal account. This will ensure that you've got a safe and secure way to hold all the money that you make. This is also the preferred wallet for the methods we'll be using today. PayPal is one of the most widely used online wallets out there. It's simple to set up a PayPal account. First, visit the website, and once you're there, you're going to want to click on the sign up button. It will ask you to input your email address and a password, so just fill those out. It's pretty straightforward and simple. Once you've got a PayPal account, you can easily link your bank account so you can withdraw all your earnings into liquid cash. Another thing you can do with PayPal is use it as an online wallet to purchase items while shopping online. It's great, and now that you've done that, it is time to start earning money by watching videos. Number 2. Go to Feature Points. You can get paid to watch videos through the website Feature Points. This site offers many different things, like surveys that will earn you rewards. The entire site is based off of these rewards, and that is how you're going to be earning cash. While there are many different ways to earn on this site, the most interesting way has to be by watching videos. It's simple to do, and it can be an easy way to make passive money. On the top of the page, you'll see a blue bar next to the PayPal logo. This bar's got a percentage, and once that percentage reaches 100%, you can then cash out and earn money. The money goes straight into your PayPal. You can choose which amount you'd like to set as a goal. To do this, go to the top of the page and select the Cash Out tab. You will then be shown a page with the PayPal logo. Next to the logo are options. The options are $5, $10, $25, $50, $100, $200, and $500. Select one of these and you'll see what percentage you're at and how close you are to being able to cash out that amount. How close you are is dependent on how many points you have earned by watching videos. To start, log into the site and go to the Offers tab on the left side of the page. Then, you will find many different offers that will give you a varying amount of points. There is one called AdGem that lets you watch videos and advertisements in exchange for points. Using this, you can earn up to 2,500 points. Another way to earn points on this website is by referring a friend. This is a great way to earn a lot of points. Refer 2 people and you can earn 25% of the rewards that they earn. And by referring 3 people, you can earn 50% of the points they earn. That's a lot of points. You can also download the Feature Point app in the App Store and earn through that as well. If you visit the app in the App Store, you can see that it's earned quite a number of good reviews. Most reviewers in the App Store will be quite picky about their apps, so it's a good sign that this app has nearly 4.5 stars. Some reviews state that the app is pretty good, but others say it needs more work. Overall, it's totally legit and completely worth it. Number 3. Download app trailers. You can get some cash on the side by using app trailers. Simple. Currently this app's only available in the US, so if you're outside of the United States, try out the other apps in this video. But with app trailers, only available on Android, you just download and open the app. Then once you open the app, you'll see a couple of different options. The option you'll want to look at is the Watch Videos option. When you watch videos using this app, you will accumulate points, and then these points will turn into rewards, with one of them being PayPal credit. The more videos you watch, the more rewards you get. One way to really start earning points with this app is by downloading the app on your family's devices and then logging into your account. Then, every time you watch videos using app trailers, you'll instantly earn points. It is a fast way to really rack up those rewards and cash out even more money just by watching videos. Number 4. Go to Rewardable. You'll now want to visit Rewardable. This is another great site to earn cash. The website's tagline itself states, "The site that pays you cash." How enticing is that? To start off with Rewardable, go to their site and click Join the app for free. That's right, it's simple and free. Take a look at all the options you have to learn. You can watch videos, do surveys, take part in daily sweepstakes, visit retail stores, and many more. The app has given out millions of dollars since it started, so don't you want to be a part of that? So how does this site work? It is super easy. Complete some simple tasks, such as watching videos, cash out your rewards, and then grow your community status. This community status will allow you to get bigger rewards. This site has reviews from some big names, such as ABC, NBC, CNET, and more. There are also great reviews for this app in the App Store, so it must say something about how well the site works. In fact, it has over 10,000 5-star reviews. It's a great and reputable site, so start watching and earning with it now. Number 5. Download AppNana. Want easy money? Try using AppNana. This is a free app that can help you to get paid just for doing simple tasks. You can watch videos, play games, and do a bunch of other things. This app can actually be a lot of fun. Just go and download it on your mobile device. This app is available for download on both the Apple App Store and the Android App Store. Another cool thing about this app is that they have an affiliate program. If you have a YouTube channel with more than 5,000 subscribers, a large Facebook account, a popular blog, or anything similar, you can be qualified for AppNana's affiliate program. With this affiliate program, influencers and big accounts are making up to $300 a day. It works like this. You send in a form to sign up for their program, and then once you're accepted, you will promote AppNana and use your audience to get more people to sign up for the app. Then you will have a unique code that you will use, and anytime someone signs up using the app, you will get money. Sounds great, doesn't it? This referral program is found by scrolling to the bottom of the AppNana website, so check it out. Number 6. Go to TV2. Another great website to use is TV2. This is probably the best one on the list, and you'll really like it as well. With TV2, you can earn money just by watching YouTube videos. Isn't that quite interesting? They call themselves an entertainment ecosystem on the blockchain. How does it work? Well, you'll need a mobile device and a smart TV. Go to the website and find the Setup tab on the top of the page, and that will give you a full step-by-step guide on how to get going with it. This app is highly reputable. They have been mentioned by Forbes, Vice, Entrepreneur, and many other outlets. So, let's take a look at how it works. First, you will want to watch videos. That's the simplest part. Then you will collect rewards, which will then be converted into cryptocurrency. With that cryptocurrency, you'll be able to convert it into cash, so don't worry. To boost your earnings, you can use this site to complete tasks, so that means that you can get even more money. The site is great because you can see updates and news regarding the app, so you're always in the know. Now let's take a look at the setup. In order to start, download TV2. Get the app for your Apple or Android device and also download it onto your smart TV. Having it downloaded on a smart TV isn't absolutely necessary, but it does help. Next, link your devices. Using the app on your smart TV, a QR code will appear. Scan this using the app on your mobile device. And next is the fun part. Sit back, relax, and watch videos. Machine learning will curate the perfect programming for you. Every second you watch, you'll be earning crypto. That's about it. See? Not too hard. If you want to convert your crypto into your currency, simply go on over to the Coinbase site. Set up an account on that site, and after that, you can convert the crypto you earn into cash. The funds will be sent straight to your bank account. If you look at the app in the App Store, you can see all kinds of content that you'll be watching. In the photo, you can see that they have videos from Unbox Therapy and Dude Perfect. These are popular accounts that have allowed their videos to appear on the TV2 app. The reason why they do this is so these channels can generate more ad revenue and gain new subscribers. It's a win-win situation. Thanks for watching. While you're here, go ahead and click on one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there.